How to eat before a workout. A great way to maximize your workout is to ensure you get the right nutrients before you exercise and afterward. Pre-workout food should be a balance of protein and carbohydrates, giving you energy for your workout and replenishing your muscles with protein as they burn calories. If you work out a moderate amount 30 minutes each day and eat a balanced diet, you may be doing enough to keep your body well nourished. If your workouts last longer, it is important to pay close attention to what, when, and how much you consume. This article will help you choose your pre-workout meals. Timing your meals with workouts. Plan the size of your meal according to when you will work out. The less time you have until your workout, the less you should eat. Ideally, you want to have had fewer calories to eat than you intend to burn, thus burning excess fat during your workout. This is a little tricky in the sense that burning fat during the workout has less to do with calories as it does with the type of calories consumed. For instance, if the body is given a large dose of carbohydrates pre-workout, it is less likely to tap into fat stores because the carbohydrates are so much easier to burn and use. It is better to have a combination of complex carbohydrates, proteins and fats. If you intend to eat a large meal, make sure you eat 3 to 4 hours before the workout. If you eat a small meal, you should eat 2 to 3 hours before working out. If you are snacking, do so 1 to 2 hours in advance. Eat breakfast 1 to 2 hours before you work out. Good food choices at breakfast time include, an egg on high-protein toast, a rice cake covered in peanut butter, or a mix of whole grain cereal, low-fat milk, and a banana. Eat lunch 3 to 4 hours before working out. A good option for a pre-workout lunch is a turkey sandwich made with 2 pieces of high-protein bread, 2 to 3 ounces, of low-sodium turkey, lettuce or sprouts, tomato, and mustard. The bread and turkey give you protein, while the garnishes and bread provide carbohydrates. Another option is a salad made with spinach, a chicken breast, low-fat dressing, tomatoes, and almonds. The chicken and almonds provide protein, while a salad with spinach provides both carbohydrates and protein. Eat a small snack 30 minutes to an hour before you work out. Good snack options include pretzels, smoothies, granola bars, or fruit. Some good choices for fruit include pineapple, banana, or watermelon. Eat a protein and carbohydrate balanced dinner 2 to 3 hours before working out. Do not forget to incorporate healthy fats. These are essential as they actually sustain the individual the longest and provide the longest satiety. If you work out after dinner, make sure you do not intend to work out too close after eating or too close to bedtime. Evening workouts can inhibit some people's sleep patterns.